10 best kitchen decorating ideas for your Space Coast home. Your kitchen isn't just a place to cook, it's the heart of your home. Whether you're whipping up a fresh mango smoothie or entertaining guests after a beach day, your kitchen should be both functional and fabulous. Here are 10 stylish kitchen decorating ideas and themes that will make your Space Coast home shine. And if you don't yet have that perfect kitchen, no worries. I'm your favorite Space Coast realtor and I can help you find it. Number 1, coastal chic. How to achieve it. Use a palette of soft blues, whites, and sandy neutrals. Incorporate natural materials like driftwood, wicker, and sea glass. Add open shelving to display seashells, coastal ceramics, and breezy decor. Install pendant lighting that mimics beach lanterns. Number 2, modern minimalist. How to achieve it? Stick to a neutral color scheme with sleek, clean lines. Opt for handleless cabinets for a streamlined look. Use under-cabinet lighting and integrated appliances to maintain simplicity. Keep countertops clutter-free with smart storage solutions. Number 3, tropical oasis. How to achieve it? Incorporate vibrant greens, yellows, and coral tones. Use rattan bar stools and bamboo accents. Add tropical plants like palm leaves or potted orchards. Hang bold tropical print wallpaper on an accent wall. Number 4, classic white kitchen. How to achieve it? Use crisp white cabinets paired with marble or quartz countertops. Add contrast with black hardware or a navy island. Use glass cabinet doors to showcase elegant dishware. Incorporate subway tile for a timeless backsplash. Number 5, space age modern. And how to achieve it? Opt for high gloss cabinets and metallic finishes. Use LED strip lighting for a futuristic touch. Incorporate smart appliances and voice-controlled lighting. Go for a monochrome color scheme with pops of bold color. Rustic farmhouse. How to achieve it? Use reclaimed wood for open shelving or a statement hood. Install a large farmhouse sink with an apron front. Add vintage-style pendant lights and shiplap walls. Use warm, neutral colors with black or bronze accents. Mediterranean charm. And how to achieve it? Incorporate hand-painted tiles for colorful backsplash. Use warm terracotta, deep blues, and rich yellows. Opt for wrought iron light fixtures and rustic wooden elements. Add arched doorways or alcoves for the authentic feel. Number 8, industrial edge and how to achieve it. Use exposed brick or concrete backsplash. Incorporate metal shelving, stools, and pendant lights. Opt for a mix of wood and steel for a balanced aesthetic. Choose Edison bulb fixtures for warm vintage lighting. Number 9, boho eccentric. How to achieve it? Mix patterns and textures with colorful rugs and tiles. Use open shelving to display unique handcrafted dishes. Incorporate hanging plants and macrame decor. Opt for natural wood mixed with bold artistic accents. And number 10, retro diner style and how to achieve it. Use checkered flooring or bold, colorful tiles. Install a vintage-style fridge in pastel hues. Incorporate chrome bar stools and red vinyl seating. Add a jukebox-style speaker and neon signage for fun vibes. Need a kitchen upgrade? Let's find your dream home. No matter your kitchen dream style, it all starts with a perfect space. If your current kitchen isn't cutting it, maybe it's time to upgrade. As your go-to Space Coast realtor, I can help you find the home and kitchen of your dreams. Start your search today at this link and let's find you the perfect kitchen for your lifestyle.